Hello and welcome to the Impact IntelliSync How-To video series. In this video, we'll go over how to use the InCommand Dashboard and TipAware. This video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. With InCommand, you can adjust spray pressure and material use right from your phone. To get started, select the Garage option and choose Sprayer Model I or IA. To take advantage of InCommand's features, you'll first need to set up a job using ProStart or QuickStart. For more information with setting up jobs with ProStart or QuickStart, see the MyTitan how-to videos. With your job set up, tap to select it and the InCommand dashboard will appear. Use Set Machine Pressure to enter your desired sprayer pressure. The actual pressure reading will show you the current pressure of your sprayer in real time. You can change the pressure setting in 100 psi increments by pressing the plus or minus buttons. For faster pressure adjustment, hit the Manual Set button and use the slider to change the pressure amount. After reaching the desired pressure, press Set. The InCommand dashboard also monitors your sprayer's on time and run time. On time displays how long your sprayer has been on, whether or not it's spraying. Run time shows only the amount of time your sprayer has been actively spraying. To keep track of your material usage, the gallon counter display will update when your gun is triggered and material is being sprayed. InCommand also features TipAware, located in the upper left corner of the dashboard. TipAware provides a visual display of your tip status. At the start of a job, a new tip will display as NA until enough spraying data has been gathered. It may take up to 0.3 of a gallon of sprayed material before the app updates the tip status. Once the tip is in use, its color-coded status will change based on the amount of tip wear. More detailed TipAware information is available by selecting the tip. Thanks for watching the Impact IntelliSync How-To video series. For more help, check out the Titan Frequently Asked Questions in the MyTitan app, or get in touch with our tech service team.